Hi, Nines. So this is question 1A on surface area on volume of pyramids and cones. So the first question is to find the volume of this square-based pyramid. And so in order to be able to do that, we need to know what, well, first we need to know our formula. So we know that the formula of a pyramid is equal to the area of the base times the height, all divided by 3. So in this case, we know that the base is a square, so it's just going to be b squared and the height over 3. So if we take a look at our shape, we know what b is, because b is just the side length of the square. So in this case, b is equal to 20. But we don't know what h is. We know that this line right here represents h, but we don't actually know what h is. Well, because it's a square-based pyramid, we know that the height is going to fall exactly halfway between the side lengths. So we know that this side length here is going to be 10 meters. So that would be that one. So now that we know that side length, and we also happen to know that the slant height is 14.4 meters, 14.4 meters, then we can use the Pythagorean theorem where we know that that h squared plus 10 squared is going to equal 14.14 squared. So h squared plus 10 squared is equal to 14.14 squared. So I'm going to grab my calculator here. So I have h squared plus 100 is equal to, and 14.14 squared is approximately 199.94. So h squared is going to equal 199.94 minus 100. So h squared is going to equal, so now I'm going to subtract that 100, 99.94. And then h is going to be the square root of that. So again, second, and then the little square root above the pi, and then my answer, which was 99.94. So my height is going to be approximately equal to, so if I take a look at my calculator here, it's 9.99. So if I wanted to write it to one decimal place, or if I want to write to one decimal place, then what I need to do is I look at the number after the 9, and since that is 5 or higher, then I know I have to round up. Well, 9.9 rounded up would be 10. So my height is approximately equal to 10 meters. And now I can go about and substitute my height and my base into my formula. So I know my base is 20. So it's going to be 20 squared times 10 divided by 3. So again, got my calculator. I've got 20 squared times 10 divided by 3, which gives me an answer of, you'll see, 1333.33. Again, if I round it to one decimal, if I look at the number after is a 3. 3 is not 5 or more, so that means that this number stays. So it's going to be 1333.3 meters cubed. Now, the reason it's meters cubed is because we have meters times meters times meters. So that is meters cubed.